Looking for a reliable and affordable replacement for your Canon PGI-280XXL ink cartridges? Easy Ink offers a smart solution that balances quality with cost savings. These compatible cartridges deliver the same crisp text and vibrant graphics you expect, without the premium price tag. Each package includes 4 large black cartridges, each capable of printing up to 600 pages. That means fewer replacements and more printing time, whether you're handling work documents or personal projects. It's a simple way to keep your printer running smoothly without breaking the bank. Easy Ink cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Canon printers, including popular models like the TR7520, TR7500, TR7620, Pixma TR8520, and many more. This extensive compatibility ensures you get the right fit and performance for your specific printer, avoiding any hassle or guesswork. Users across the United States have praised these cartridges for their consistent quality and value. Many note that the print output matches the brand name originals, with sharp text and clear graphics every time. Plus, the cartridges are accepted by Canon printers just like the official ones, so installation is seamless. Delivery speed is another highlight, with customers reporting prompt shipping, usually within 2 days. This reliability means you won't be stuck waiting when you need ink the most. For those who print regularly, having a dependable supplier like Easy Ink can make all the difference. Switching to Easy Ink compatible cartridges means you get premium print quality at a fraction of the cost. No compromises on performance, just straightforward savings. If you're tired of overpaying for brand name ink, this is worth a look. If that's you, consider trying Easy Ink cartridges when you're ready to refill. You'll enjoy crisp, professional prints and dependable compatibility with your Canon printer. It's a practical choice that saves money and keeps your printing running without interruption. In short, Easy Ink compatible cartridges for Canon PGI-280XXL offer what you want: quality prints, broad compatibility, and great value. Whether for home or office use, these cartridges deliver consistent results without the high cost. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself.